guys, we're going to swim. Ew! Nakatabak siya ng tae! Oh my god, may Birkenstock. Oh my god. Ew. Gosh.
Ate Kay, mamaya pa sila.
It's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. You killed
Dito kayo!
I'm avoiding the pill. I can't swallow.
Naka-makeup po. Ganyan ba talaga pag new iPhone owner? I wasn't planning to say kasi. Planning to? Oh, mo. Hello! Init na! Balik na tayo.
Haven't seen my twin brother. I keep missing his
Ayaw ba initan, be?
It's funny just how
I just want pantay na.
finally getting married to an angel in human form. But I still think about Nashville.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to my bangka!
Yung fish doon? Oo. Nakatapan daga? Nataparo! Magkuha ka ulit ng bago. Ano? Tapos yung mga ano doon, mga bato, higaan. Higaan yan. Ano, binalik ko baga? Hinuli ko ulit. Well... Marunong ako maghuli nun. Putin mo na Ay, maputi na ako. Ay, puti na! Maitim na ako. Titin ako lang. May sugat ako. Ay, kailan na naman mo. Nadalas ako sa bato. Bayay. Lugnog tayo na ako. Panto sa gas. Papi. Ako lang. Tayo na lahat. Guys, we are hiking in Tabion Hill. And look at that. Over sa hiking. Yun. Yung sound. Parang isang maling gulong mo lang ay. Careful dyan, careful. Ganda!
Pwede mo nga magsigaw with your full level.
Baka mag-echo.
Kaya, 1, 2, 3, go!
Isa. Wala! Walang echo.
Daddy, miss na kita!
Release mo na, Singsa! Release mo na, dali natin!
Release ka na.
Ako lang dapat sinisigaw yun!
Para maiwanan mo na dito.
Sinisigaw yun!
Pagkamis ako dito.
Pera mo ko ng camera! Lalak, pera mo. Pera! Ako camera.
with ano guys.
Alam ako, Caramera. Caramera. Uy.
Morning, y'all!
Morning, y'all! So we're here at our classroom. We're at our classroom and we're gonna ask them what preparations have they done, did they done to to prepare for our retreat. So let's go ask our best friend, Nene. What preparations have you done para sa retreat na ito?
Ano, wala. Nagdala lang ng grocery. Para maraming nagdala ng... Nagdala ng...
Nagdala siya ng panggawa ng nail set. So, what's your account sa nails?
Nail by Ash. Compound by Nails.
Ayan.
Tatanggal namin doon. Girl.
It's been a long time. So, what are the preparations na ginawa mo before the retreat?
Sa totoo lang po, natapos lang po ako sa pag-prepare ko 2 a.m. Nag-start ako 6 p.m. tapos natapos 2 a.m. Sobrang hirap. Kasi nag-alilangan ako kung magmamalita pa ako or ba.
I think kaya siya late nag-ayos kasi nag-Minecraft muna siya.
Next. May bumaboses eh. May bumaboses.
Ang ating tigagawa ng mga auto farms. Yeah! Ang arte niya, di ba? Yung mga preparations ang ginawa mo for the retreat.
So kahapon, gumawa ako ng auto farm sa Minecraft, EXP farm. Tapos gumawa rin ako ng duplicator kasi di gumagana, kakainis.
Punta tayo dito sa mga may ingay na parte ng ating Luzon. Ito. Ay, guys! Respeto lang sa akin. Ano yung mga preparations na ginawa mo?
Yung una kong ginawa, iron farm sa may mic. Ay, hindi ba yun?
Hindi, yung sa maleta mo, kwento mo.
Ito ba?
Teka, ano ba backstory niyan?
Meron ko doon.
So, itakat din natin yung part na to of the video. Next. Ang dami nating bystander. So, nandito tayo sa audition ng PPP. Second edition. So, magpapakala ang ating first nominee. Ikaw ay napatawan ng fourth edition. Anong mga preparations ang ginawa mo for today?
May medical kit ako, may skincare, may makeup kit, meron akong 2 outfit, tapos 3 pantulog.
Closing.
So that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on our social media pages at LSHS STEM12G. Mag-reflect tayo mamaya. Mag-reflect na kami. Pag-confession na kami kay Father. Sorry, Father, for I have sinned. So, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe and follow us at LSHS STEM12G.
Sabi mo, see you later!
See you later when we're in honor at the bus.
We just need to see the street.
So pretty. Bye guys. Di ba nagsisimula yung vlog? Bye na. Surrender. Hi guys.
Ano ba yun? Ako naman,
siya. Okay na. Say hi, guys!
Wala na, backstab.
Guys, huwag kayong mababackstab!
Hello po. Hey,
So we're here sa Calarwega and we're waiting for our session and we're just chilling. We're just chilling and backstabbing. Yes! Look guys, oh, cute ni Carla. Uy, nagsiselos ako.
Ay, kiselos ka. Si Dominic nakatingin sa'yo.
Sino?
Si Dominic.
Si Nondot.
Grabe na si kasi si Dominic.
Oo.
Ano ba?
Ang dami niyang
And
Binakita niyo ba?
there's so much here and it's very pretty. It's very beautiful. Like, can you see that?
Kapag di kayo makatulog.
Wait, I'm gonna show you.
Picture na post na sa STEM GB.
That is so fresh. Right? So fresh. It's so much prettier in the night. Yan ang mga ano ng mga dyan. Yung mga couples. The couples and the friends. There's the boys' room. And ayan, may private room ang mga girls. And those are the STEMG boys. Yan, ang STEMG boys. They're takoting everyone. And, oh my God! They're still backstabbing people!
Alala ko vlog talaga.
Look at that face of a backstabber! My God! Backstabber 2, Backstabber 3, Backstabber 4, Backstabber 5. Let's say bye-bye. Let's say bye! Bye-bye!
Anong ginagawa mo, Be?
I'm writing letters for my classmates because I appreciate all of them.
Oo naman. Find another word.
Show appreciation for them.
Another word. Another word for appreciation.
Gratefulness.
Gratefulness. Like a cheese. Great. Oh my God. Hi, CJ. Anong ginagawa mo, CJ? Letters. Lahat kayo letters?
Yeah, gumagawa ko ng letters for someone.
So traditional. Yan ang ginagawa mo, CJ.
Nagsusama ng naglalabas ng cut the video.
Ellie, transition. Oh my God. Anong ginagawa mo?
Writing letters.
Letters? In-game siya, in-game siya.
So, nanunuwa na ko by Sir Ice na kunin ako sa creative hub because I want to propose something. Look at this idea of me. Actually, we collaborated with our artistic in our section. Let's mention JP.
Artistic?
So, back to me and the main idea. So, my idea is I want to make it like a very creative. Like, I want that the reader would feel my presence.
Yes, yes.
So, what I came up with is this like a printing type of machine. So, it's like this. You have the buttons there and you need to pull the print. But before you pull the print, you need to remove the seal. Right after you seal and then it's gonna print and then
Oh my God.
you're gonna have your letter. So,
Are you,
how
ano?
creative, right? Thank you.
Are you connected with Einstein?
Actually, I'm not, but I'm connected with God.
Who's this? Ito, wildlife.
Kabisado mo na yung tawag.
Hindi na lahat
Nalalagyan sa resume.
Attention everyone. First of all, gusto ko lang ituro yung maganda. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Pag tumingin, check nyo muna. Kaya na. That's my appreciation. Siguro po kung hindi po kasi ako verbal sa aking parents po. So, hindi po ako like open sa kanila. And hindi rin po ako like gift giver kasi wala po akong pera. Pero like, madalas po is sinushow ko po siya by actions po. Like, instead na masasabi po ako ng thank you, like, kinahag ko na lang po sila or kinikiss po sila.
Yes! Saan daw maganda?